Now you only need to add a float on your Chapchap Mobile Money app, whether you are a new agent or already an existing agent. These 4 ways we are yet to demonstrate to provide you with all the necessary steps you need to follow while adding a float on your Chapchap Mobile Money app. Now, starting with the very first one, and this is the add a float option right here. So once I click here, normally when you register on Chapchap, you register with either your Airtel or your MTN. For example, me, I registered with my Airtel. So if I tap here, I can be able to convert the money to my mobile money account, to my Chapchap account as float. So for example, if I want to convert my money, like for example 50,000, I type in here 50,000, and after that I press continue. So now here, if I put in my Chapchap pin, they are going to send a message on my mobile money account asking me to put in my mobile money pin. So after putting my mobile money pin, that money is going to be deducted from my mobile money account to my Chapchap account as float. But remember, with this method, there are some charges which do apply. So as you can see, this charge here, this one here, this one. So make sure you cater for those charges. And now the second method is by using the bank, as you can see here. And by using this bank, it has 2 options. You can either use Stanbic or Equity. For example, if you have used Stanbic, so you're going to visit any Stanbic agent and you ask that agent to check for the billers. So after them checking for the billers, you're going to provide them with your Chapchap number and the amount of money that you want them to deposit as float. After them depositing, that money is going to come to your Chapchap account as float, and it is instant. But in the event that Stanbic agent doesn't know how to check for the billers, you can opt for Equity agent. So with that Equity agent, you're going to go there and you provide them with this Chapchap account number, this one here. So once you give them this account number, you're going to give them the amount of money that you want to deposit. So after them depositing, they are going to give you a receipt. So when you get that receipt, you're going to come here, you're going to tap on chat, then tap on chat with us, then you tap on bank deposit, this one here. So when you tap on bank deposit, you tap on this icon, this one here. So when you tap here, you can either take a picture of that receipt or you obtain it from the gallery if you already took it. So after that, you type in there a message that add float on my account. So within 5 to 10 minutes, you can be able to get that float. And always remember, with this method, you add on float from 8 to 5 and from Monday up to Saturday. And now the third method is by using pay. This option here, this option here. So by using this pay, this one, it works when you are near a fellow Chapchap user. So when you visit that fellow Chapchap user, they tap on share float, this button here. They just tap here. So once they tap here, they put in your Chapchap number and the amount of money you want to receive as float. And this method is also instant. You get float instantly. And then the fourth method, and is far the most effective method, is by using withdrawal. You can choose to withdraw from either Airtel customers or MTN customers, and that money is deducted from the customer's account and comes to your Chapchap account as float. And always make sure that after doing a withdrawal, you come and you tap on this icon here, such that you can be able to know whether your money has been added up as float. And this is an extra bonus. If you have used Chapchap for a period of more than 2 months, now you can qualify to get float loan to grow your mobile money business from as low as 250 up to 5M. So if you are interested to get this float loan, reach out to the numbers displayed on this screen. And still, if you want to know how to use all the key features of Chapchap, click on the link in the comment section.